I should probably get a haircut soon. Oh, there you are. Yeah, now I can see you. Oh, here we go. Good morning. Beautiful. You have arrived to your destination. I didn't put any socks on because for this class that I take, I have to wear this funny socks. These ones. I'm not special class. It's not any class. It's called Pilates. Okay, so let's put this on. They're cute. You know how we do with this? Every time there's trash in the car. And that's the first place I come. Where there's like so now with the trash that I picked up in the car, I just trash it. It's a really small habit, but once you get into a habit of doing that, then you don't have to pick up the trash in your car at the end of, I don't know, the day or whatever. Classes start in like 3 minutes. Done with the workout. I'm gonna make some breakfast because I'm starving. That's honest truth. This tea, I love it. I got some hot water. Last thing, poner un avocado. Cut my avocado in half. Avocados are like fortune cookies, you know? You never know what you're gonna get. This one is good. Green. Oh, I like it. And I get a spoon. Cut it out. Ta-da! This other one. Ay! And here the eggs going like, get me out of here! Going. It's chia seeds, sesame seeds. Yesterday I contacted my car company to extend the lease. I told them I need to extend the lease, and the lady is like, for how long? I'm like, ma'am, I need as much time as possible because right now we cannot make any decision in regards to this. Take a guess. How long did companies extend the lease for? 1 month? 2 months? No. She was like, you can do 3 months. I'm like, we cannot do this right now. We are not in a time where we can make any decisions, and I need you to extend the lease, please. You know what she said? I can give you 6 months, and I'm like, yes, that's what I need. So I extended the lease for 6 months. So right now, like the car payments are going up to the sky. So if you can try to negotiate that, negotiate it. I'm reading a book right now. I'm actually listening to a book. When I say read, I mean listen. But when I express myself, I just say read. So I'm listening to this book. It's called Atomic Habits. I love it. It actually puts down a lot of concepts that I already have in mind and I already implement in my life. It gives you a lot of tips on how to deal with normal daily stuff that you will deal in life and how to improve that every day. Remember, if you can improve like one little thing every day and you compound that throughout like an entire year, you're gonna have a lot of benefits at the end of the year. Sometimes my biceps is not enough and I need a little reset. How to remove my nails today? Lift them up, turn them around like that. Remove. I'm gonna shower now. I'm not a morning person. So waking up early, it just takes a lot for me, a lot. I try to do as much as I can the night before, Lunches are ready the night before. Ready, water bottles, everything done. Taken care of at night. And that's another thing that it became a habit of mine. So, like I was saying, what was I saying? I have no idea what I was saying. Oh, that I always try to do as much work as I can the night before, getting everything ready. So, in the morning, I don't have to be rushing like crazy. Because it's already enough for me to have to get myself out of bed, and then I have to go get my kids out of bed, and that takes a lot of effort. I don't know what my shiny lip gloss is. I'm gonna get this. We're ready for the day. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Got some empanadas, ham and cheese, and chicken. I do a lot of eating while I work. You're gonna say, you just have breakfast? Yeah, but I'm hungry again. It's lunchtime. These empanadas are the bomb. What is it called? Half Moon. Every time that I order, great quality, great service, every time. I love the empanadas that I cook, but these are so much better. So I just got the water delivered. Okay. Most of the time, I eat what I cook, but not today. This one is right here. I'm not gonna eat it right now, but I'm gonna eat it later. If you eat empanadas, you do this. It's called repulgue in español in Argentina. It's like pure dough, and I don't like dough. I don't like bread. Well, bread with something, but by itself, no. Look at the juice. This is my kid's plate. Trying to print any documents that I need to print today. Running very quickly to do a notarization for a client of mine. And of course, I need to have some dessert. A chocolate cake that I got from Aldi. I'm working on my kids' birthday list. So far we have like 1,000 people. No kidding. I have a lot of memories. From my birthdays. From my brother's birthdays. One day we'll all dress up like a Halloween party for a birthday. That's not normal here. That's not common. People don't do that. And we loved it growing up. Oh, hello there. Looks super sunny out here. I'm going to pick up the kids and get into the role of being a mother. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, gotta get the kids, prep some food for them, getting them to take a shower, and do some homework, and prep lunches for tomorrow, lunch boxes, waters, just be a mom for the remaining part of the day. I'll heat this up. Second part of my lunch. That moment of the day again. It's been a rough day, long day too. Got a lot of things done. I'm very tired, and tomorrow I'm waking up at 6. Cling!